Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. So if you want to just turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome for protection, at first just go to Google Chrome and click the top right, the three dot icon. Click on settings. Now from here, just click on privacy and security. Scroll down and here you can see safe browsing. Click on it. Now just select the first option, enhanced protection. After that, go back. You can just turn on another option, which is a send a do not track request. Click on it and just turn it on. And by that you can just turn on Safe Search filter in Google Chrome. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.